Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to set up the admin panel of a web page. Okay, so we are going to develop a web application, okay, using the Bootstrap 4. So we are going to download the template from startbootstrap.com. Okay, so let's open our browser and then uh, sbadmin 2. Okay, so we're going to download this free template. Okay, so as you can see here, it should look like this. So let's download this template. Okay, then let's extract this one. Okay, so let's rename this one as, let's say, our website. Let me open this one. Okay, so this is the admin. Okay, the admin of the website, and then the main folder is ITeach. Okay, and then we will copy this in our htdocs directory. So make sure to install your SAM. Okay, so SAM and then htdocs. I will put it here. Okay, so I teach and then admin. So in my case, I'm going to run my local host. Make sure to start your um, Apache in MySQL or Apache only, since we do not have a database yet. In my case, I am using port 8080 since 80 is being blocked. Okay, so I am using 8080. So you can just uh, change it here in our http://conf configuration, and then here the listen 8080 because it doesn't want 80. Okay, so in our browser we should also use localhost 8080. Okay, so I'm going to access my web page iteach/admin. Okay, so here's our page. Okay, so we are going to modify this. We will separate the navigation bar, the header, and the footer. Okay, and also with the script. Okay, so let's um, open our Visual Studio Code. So you can use any HTML editor. Okay, so I am going to open my Visual Studio Code, and then I will open the folder. Okay, admin there. Okay, so here are our files inside the admin folder. Okay, so we are going to separate the content of our index because we are going to create the master page of our website. So in every page we are going to call later. Okay, we are going to include um, the divided parts of our web application. So now we are going to create a folder here under the admin. Okay, where we will create folder. So we have the include files. We have include files. Okay, and then under the include files we are going to create um, 4 files here. Okay, so we'll create the header.php. Okay, so under the header.php we're going to get the header of our application. Okay, so let's go back to the index.html, and we're going to copy this one, Okay, doc type until here in the wrapper. Okay, div id wrapper. So we will cut this and then we will paste it here. Okay, so this is our header. Okay, the next one is our uh, footer. Okay, let's get the footer. So we'll make another file here. Okay, new file, and then footer.php. Okay, so let's find the footer here. Let's search footer. Okay, so from here, footer, we will copy this one. Okay, until the HTML tag in here. Okay, but afterwards we are going to separate this. Okay, we will separate the script. Okay, so let's just cut this one first and then let's put it in our footer. Okay, so the next thing to do is our script.php. So we will cut the script here, this one. Let's cut this one and we are going to put it here in our script.php. Okay, now the next one is our navigation bar. So let's create navigation bar here, new file, and then navigation. Let's just name it navigation.php. Okay, so let's go back to index.html and then we're going to find the sidebar here, sidebar until end of top bar. We're going to separate it, end of top bar. Here. Okay, so we'll cut this one and put it in our navigation.php. Okay, so we are all set here in our include files. So now we are going to try our web page. So in here, if you refresh this one, okay, only the content will be displayed here. Okay, like this. So we are going to include files in our page. So we are going to include the include files in every page of our website. Okay, so in our index, okay, so we will just rename this one to index.php, rename, and then index.php, php. Okay, and then we're going to put the include files on the top of our web page. Okay, so let's create the PHP tag, and then include, and then include files, and then header.php, this one, header, and then we also include the uh, navigation. So navigation.php. Okay, and then there's something wrong with this one, navigation.php. There should be semicolon here. Okay, and then we'll copy these lines of codes and then we'll transfer it here. We will paste it here rather. Okay, and then um, script script.php and then footer.php. Okay, let's try to load our web here. Okay, there. Okay, so if you did it correctly, it should be displayed like this. Okay, so in every page of our website we will put these tags here. Okay, so one. Okay, so this time we are going to do some modification with our design. Okay, so let's go to the header page, header.php, and then we'll try to change the title of our web app. So let's say ITeach Tutorials. Okay, so if you check it here, okay, this one, ITeach Tutorials. So we can also change the um, icon here in our page. So I will just copy a picture to be used in our application. I will just copy this. Okay, then I will put it in my htdocs file folder, and then ITeach. Here I am going to put it here, img. Okay, so I will rename this one to ITeach. Okay, and then we are going to use it here. Okay, so link href equals is found in our img, and then iteach.jpg. Okay, then rel equals icon. Okay, and then this one, let me check this. Okay, so let's try it again here. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, the icon has been changed, and we also tried to change the icon here. Instead of this happy face here, we're going to change the icon here. Okay, so let's go back to our um, code, and let's go to our navigation.php, and then on top, okay, we're going to find for the icon here. So let's change this one also. I will use ITeach. Okay, and then I will remove this superscript. Okay, okay, and then we're going to put the icon here. I will replace this one, class, and then I will just use um s, and then img fluid, and image responsive. Okay, and then we're going to put the image here. Okay, img src equals img, and then ITeach dot jpg. Okay, and then we are going to set the width of the image. Width equals 50, then the height equals 50 also. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to show it here. Okay, there. Okay, so we are going to set the rotation to 0. Okay, 0 here, and let's try it again. There. Okay, so this time we're going to change the menus here. Okay, so let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, and then let's go to navigation here. We're already here. Then let's try to change the uh, menus. Okay, so I will remove some text here. I will remove the interface here. Okay, this one I will just um, comment it. Okay, and then the components. Okay, I will remove this also. This one, custom components here. I will remove this, and then let's refresh this one. I will change this one to setup, okay, or settings. Okay, and then let's say users. Okay, and then let's say employees or departments, and then employees. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, users, departments, employees. So we will try also to change the color of this one, our navigation bar. I will make it dark. Okay, this one I will make it dark. Okay, and let's try it. Okay, this one. Okay, came dark. So in our next video, we are going to modify this. So as you click the users menu, the list of users should be displayed here. Okay, so please follow me in my next video. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.